In the big sky, there are many airplanes, some carry people, some carry goods, but some are built for a very special job. These are the bombers. Their job is to be strong and to protect a country. We're going to talk about the most powerful bomber in the world. This airplane is a true marvel of modern engineering. It is a symbol of strength and advanced technology. It can fly very far without stopping. It can also hide from the enemy in a way that seems like magic. This makes it a very important tool for keeping peace and security in a complex world. The name of this amazing aircraft is the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. It is often just called the B-2. People say it is the most powerful bomber because of what it can do. It is not just about carrying many bombs, it is about how it does its job. The B-2 can go anywhere in the world, even to places that are very well protected. It can fly into enemy territory without being seen. This special ability makes it unique among all other bombers. It is a true ghost in the sky, a silent protector that is always ready to answer the call to duty. The B-2 Spirit holds a special place in military aviation. It represents a huge leap in technology. Think of it like a key that can unlock any door. No matter how strong the lock is, this key can open it. The B-2 is that key for the United States Air Force. It ensures that the country has a way to respond to threats anywhere, at any time. This capability is called global reach and global power. The B-2 is the very picture of this idea, a flying testament to human ingenuity and the quest for security in an uncertain world. So what makes the B-2 Spirit so special? It is a mix of things. It has a special shape that is different from other planes. It is made of special materials that help it hide. It uses very smart computers that help the pilots fly. All these things work together. They create an airplane that is more than just a machine. It is a system. This system is designed for one main purpose, to be unstoppable. In the next sections, we will look closer at how this incredible airplane achieves its mission and why it remains so important today. The first thing you notice about the B-2 Spirit is its shape. It does not look like a normal airplane. It has no tail and no long body. Instead, it looks like a giant dark boomerang flying through the sky. This shape is called a flying wing. This design is very important. It helps the B-2 to be invisible to radar. Radar works by bouncing waves off an object. The B-2's smooth angled surfaces scatter these waves away instead of bouncing them back. This makes it very hard for the enemy to find the plane on their screens. It is a clever design that looks like something from the future. The power of the B-2 also comes from its ability to be stealthy. Stealth means being able to move without being seen or heard. The B-2 is the best stealth bomber in the world. This is not just because of its shape. The airplane is covered in a special paint or coating. This coating is a secret material that absorbs radar waves like a sponge absorbs water. The engines are also hidden inside the wings. This reduces the heat and noise they make, making it even harder for sensors on the ground to detect the bomber as it flies overhead on its mission. Inside the B-2, advanced technology helps the two pilots fly the plane. The flying wing design can be difficult to control, so powerful computers are always working. They make thousands of small adjustments every second to keep the plane stable and flying smoothly. The pilots use advanced controls and displays to navigate the globe and manage their mission. This technology allows them to fly for very long missions, sometimes more than 30 hours with incredible precision. They can reach any target with pinpoint accuracy, making the bomber extremely effective. The B-2 can carry a very large and powerful payload. It has two big bomb bays inside its belly. These bays can hold many different types of weapons. It can carry conventional bombs that are very precise. It can also carry nuclear weapons, which are the most powerful weapons of all. This ability to carry both types of weapons makes the B-2 very flexible. It can be used in many different situations. This combination of stealth, long range, and a heavy payload is what truly makes the B-2 the most powerful bomber ever built. The main job or mission of the B-2 Spirit is to be a powerful deterrent. This means its very existence helps to prevent wars from starting. Potential enemies know that the B-2 can strike them at any time, anywhere, without warning. This makes them think twice before starting a conflict. It is like having the strongest guard watching over your house. Just knowing the guard is there is often enough to keep trouble away. The B-2 provides this kind of security for the United States and its allies on a global scale, acting as a silent guardian in the skies. When deterrence is not enough and a conflict begins, the B-2 has another important role. It is a first day of war aircraft. This means it is one of the first weapons used in a battle. Because it is so stealthy, it can fly deep into heavily defended enemy areas. It can take out the most important targets, like enemy air defenses, command centers, and communication systems. By removing these key targets early on, the B-2 opens the door for other, less stealthy aircraft to operate more safely. It clears the path, making the rest of the mission easier and safer for everyone else involved. The history of the B-2 Spirit began in secret. It was developed during the Cold War in the late 1970s and 1980s. The project was called the Advanced Technology Bomber Project. It was a top-secret program, and very few people knew about its existence. The goal was to build a bomber that could penetrate the sophisticated air defenses of the Soviet Union. The first B-2 was publicly shown to the world in 1988, and it made its first flight on July 17, 1989. This was a historic moment, revealing a new era in military aviation and changing the rules of air power forever. An interesting fact about the B-2 fleet is that there are not many of them. Originally, the plan was to build 132 bombers. However, the end of the Cold War and the very high cost of each plane led to a change in plans. In the end, only 21 B-2 Spirits were ever built. One was lost in an accident in 2008, so today there are only 20. Each B-2 is named after a United States state, like the Spirit of Missouri or the Spirit of New York. This small fleet is incredibly valuable and is carefully maintained at Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri. The B-2 Spirit is more than just an airplane. It is an important part of America's national security strategy. It is one of the three parts of the nuclear triad. The triad consists of bombers, land-based missiles, and submarine-launched missiles. This three-part system ensures that the country can always respond to a nuclear attack, even if one part of the system is destroyed. The B-2 is the most flexible part of this triad. Unlike a missile, it can be recalled after being launched, giving leaders more time and options during a crisis. This makes it a vital tool for strategic stability. The importance of the B-2 has been proven in real-world combat. It first saw action in the conflict in Kosovo in 1999. B-2S flew all the way from their base in Missouri to Europe, dropped their bombs with great accuracy, and flew all the way back without stopping. They have also been used in campaigns in Afghanistan, Iraq, and Libya. In every case, the B-2 performed its mission perfectly. It demonstrated its unique ability to strike high-value targets from a great distance, proving that its stealth and precision were not just theories but real effective capabilities. The technology developed for the B-2 has had a lasting impact on aviation. The research into stealth materials, computer flight controls, and advanced aerodynamics has influenced the design of other modern military aircraft. Newer planes like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II fighter jets use stealth technologies that were pioneered by the B-2 program. In this way, the legacy of the Spirit bomber lives on not just in its own fleet, but across the entire Air Force. It set a new standard for what was possible, and pushed the boundaries of aerospace engineering forward. In conclusion, the B-2 Spirit remains the most powerful and capable bomber in the world. Its combination of stealth, range, and payload is unmatched by any other aircraft. It serves as a powerful symbol of American military strength and technological leadership. While newer bombers like the upcoming B-21 Raider are being developed based on its success, the B-2 Spirit will continue to be a vital part of global security for many years to come. It is a true masterpiece of aviation, a silent wing that watches over the world, ensuring peace through its incredible power. As we close the chapter on the world's most powerful bomber, we reflect on its legacy and the future of aviation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the skies.